Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, be discussing with you best credit union to get credit cards for a $5 membership. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're looking for a massive credit building secret weapon here, well, Justice Federal Credit Unions, or also known as JFCU, is an absolute hidden gem. Now, people see the name and assume it's strictly locked down for the FBI, DEA, or Homeland Security, but civilians can easily get a foot into the door. And a tiny $5 membership setup unlocks an incredibly powerful credit ecosystem that rivals and in some ways beats Navy Federal. Now, first, the $5 civilian loophole here. Now, you don't need any military or law enforcement background to join. Now, when you apply online via their portal, you just select that you want to join as a supporter or donor of an affiliated nonprofit called Concerns of Police Survivors, or COPS, or COPS. Now, JFCU will automatically donate the $5 fee to the charity on your behalf and share your basic contact info with them. Now, to officially activate your membership, you just open a standard share savings account with a minimum deposit of $5. So joining triggers a soft credit pool, meaning your score isn't impacted just to get your foot into the door. Now, also, there is a massive credit limit of and 0% cash advances here. So once you are in, JFCU offers some premier personal credit cards with limits that max out at like a massive $40,000 with zero annual fees. Now, what makes their 12-month 0% introductory APR window so rare is that it applies to purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances. So first is we have the Visa Platinum here, which is best for a low long-term interest, sitting at a 11.90% non-variable APR after the intro period. Now we also have the Visa Signature here, which gives you a flat 1.5% cashback on everything in zero foreign transactions fees, so moving to a variable APR later. Now, in this case, while you will pay minor upfront fee for a cash advance here, paying zero interest on cash liquidity for the first year is virtually unheard of with major national banks. Now, in this case, the ultimate strategy with JFCU revolves around how they handle credit applications. So they pull from Equifax, and that single hard inquiry is valid internally for 60 days. So in this case, this means that you can apply for let's just say for a $40,000 credit card, a personal line of credit up to like $40,000, and a personal loan up to like $50,000, all within that short 2-month window. So you can essentially walk away with over like $100,000 in available capital while only taking a single hit to your credit report. Now, in this case, when you first set up your account, JFCU allows you to fund your initial checking or savings deposit with up to like $2,500 using an external credit card. Now, it doesn't code as a cash advance. Now, also, you may want to call your credit card insurer beforehand and drop your card's cash advance limit to zero. That way, if the transaction tries to process an advance, it will just decline instead of hitting you with a nasty fee. Now, if you use a 0% APR business card to fund it, you can instantly inject $2,500 of liquid capital into your JFCU account with zero fees and no impact on your personal credit utilization. Now, for strong card approvals, they look for Equifax scores in the mid to high 600s or 700 with under 30% utilization. So 10% is the ideal sweet spot here though. So they are highly algorithm driven and will likely ask for 2 most recent pay stubs to verify income. Now, if your score is on the lower side, open a Freedom Direct checking account, drop some deposits in to earn their 4% APY, and let your relationship age for 90 days before applying. So their system heavily rewards patience and relationship depth. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.